More than 16% of podcasters use the Blue Yeti. As it happens, I'm recording with one right now. It's been comfortably the most popular mic when we've run our podcast gear survey, first back in 2019 and again in 2024. It's especially common with beginners. Just under a quarter of new creators go for a Yeti when they're first getting started. But in our 2024 survey, 12.5% of folks said they'd owned one and then moved on to something else. So why is that? Well, the Blue Yeti's not the best podcast mic out there by any stretch of the imagination, but if you've already got one, then it's absolutely good enough to keep working with. The problem is, a lot of people just don't use it properly, and to be fair, that's not really their fault. The Yeti's got all these different polar patterns, and it's often sold as a mic that you could use for in-person interviews or even group conversations, but honestly, these setups usually sound pretty rough. If you're going to use it, I'd say stick to running it as a solo mic and make sure it's set to cardioid mode. That's what I'm doing right now. You also need to be mindful of talking into the front and not the top of the mic, which is a mistake many inexperienced podcasters make. So if you've got a Yeti and you want to make sure you're getting the best sound you possibly can, we've put together a free user's guide. You can grab it at thepodcasthost.com/Yeti guide.